utterance. Everything is made from some kind of utterance. Let there be, let there be, let there be. Light. The stars is made the moon. Of utterances. The sunlight is made from the words of God. Expanse. Sky. Heaven. The heavens are made of words, sweet utterances, the words of God. Vegetation. Fruit trees, plants, seeds, living creatures of the sky, living creatures of the sea, living creatures of the land.
Go outside and sit among his utterances.
From the
Go
words
outside
of God.
and sit among his words.
Bring things to life. His words are life.